biofuel recycling factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how used coffee grounds are transformed into clean-burning biofuel logs, from cafe waste to renewable energy. Don't forget to
Fresh coffee grounds contain high moisture, so they must be dried before becoming an efficient fuel.
Panel 42 is showing residual moisture.
increasing heat on row B.
Natural binders help create strong biofuel logs without harmful chemicals. High-pressure compression increases energy density and improves burning efficiency.
Every batch is tested to ensure clean burning and consistent performance.
These renewable biofuel logs are shipped to homes, restaurants, camping suppliers, and eco-friendly retailers around the world.
And that's how used coffee grounds are transformed into clean, renewable biofuel logs, from everyday waste to sustainable energy. Thanks.